Tapundo uplift as Marinas pushing the ball. Miscommunication there on the pass, and then all alone layup will go in, but got the ball back again. Another chance to set play here.
By getting those second chance points, yung runs niya sa transition, perfect.
Good luck. Yes, but on that play, J.R. Rosales left. Dapat ang pukpukin kasi with their intense defense and very patient offense, like that, open it away.
We're back here at 2025 Sinaglakas 40. Ayan, I am with the player of the game, the very first ever player of the game, number 67, Mr. Sherwin Silva from Exile JCV. Ayan, Sir Sherwin, I just want to ask, what is your biggest key to your team's victory earlier? Or sa tingin mo, ano yung pinakasikreto or dahilan kung bakit kayo nanalo tonight?
First of all, thank you sa Panginoon. Yung first na mindset namin is to play defense. Yung na naman parati ang battle cry nitong team namin nila Coach Erwin. Bali, priority namin ang magdepensa. Kung maganda naman yung opensa, yung flow ng opensa, nagkakataon lang yung kung sinong libre, isinushoot lang naman ng matira.
So, Sir Sherwin, ano sa tingin mo yung individual contribution mo sa buong team kung bakit kayo nanalo tonight?
Maganda lang yung gising siguro. Bali yung sistema naman ni Coach Erwin, sinunod lang namin. Yun, magandang naging result.
And you would like to dedicate this game or maybe you want to shout out or greet someone na mahalaga sa iyo or saan mo dinededicate tong panalo mo ngayong gabi?
May listahan ako. Shout out kay Boss Joey, X1 Valencia, sa Team Exile, TYA, 0107 Management Group INC, JCB Enterprise, si Coach Erwin, si Coach Bong, Coach Manny, saka si Coach Carus at saka si Coach Floyd. Saka thank you sa Team Exile, sa teammates ko, lalong-lalo na din sa asawa ko sa sumusuporta sa amin. Thank you.
Again, congratulations sa Exile JCV and of course to you, our player of the game, Sherwin Silva. And that's all for me. Back to you, Coach Migo and Coach